Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and it has been so long since I filmed. Like, it's been weeks, but I've been busy making these bags. I've been busy making TikToks. Yeah, it's just been crazy. It's been crazy. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I've been doing, which I haven't been crocheting like clothes. I don't know when I'm gonna crochet clothes again, honestly. I think I'm done with that phase for now, because here and there I think I will like crochet a top to go with one of my bags, maybe, you know, something like that. But I'll show you guys my Marseille sweater, since that was my last video. I'll show you guys how far I've gotten with that. So this is my sweater. It's getting so big. So I already started on my sleeve. I got my first stripe done with that, and the whole thing looks like this. So I am literally almost done. So I have been getting stuff done, I just haven't been filming. So let me put that up. That's my Marseille, and I should finish that. I honestly don't know, because I'm still making bags, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys all the bags I've made so far in July. It's a different little video, but I just wanted to give you guys an update and then show you guys what I've been working on. So to start off, I made this bag, this Demon Slayer messenger bag. It's so cute. Looks like that. Sides look like that. Beautiful. This was actually my favorite one to begin with, but then I literally just made one, finished one yesterday, which is my ultimate favorite. But this is my Demon Slayer one, so that's the first bag I made for the month of July. And then I made my Stranger Things bag, because, you know, Stranger Things season 4 was trending, so I wanted to make a bag because I wanted to. I don't know, I haven't, like, I've seen the first season of Stranger Things, but I'm not caught up with it, so I have no idea like what's happening. But it was trending, so I kind of, you know, I'm figuring out stuff here and there. But anyway, I just wanted a Stranger Things bag, and I basically made it for my sister, Kahila, or Crochet with K, because she likes Stranger Things, so this is her bag that I made. And the back looks like that, and the sides looks like that. My next bag I made, was this Animal Crossing bag. This was really cute. Like, no, this is really cute. Why am I speaking of bags? Anyway, this is so cute. Like, it's such a simple, cute little dainty, like, bag. I love the colors. Like, I love this teal. It's the same, like, teal color for this one. You see, same thing, but it's super cute. It's like, I love Animal Crossing. I stopped playing, like, I haven't played it in so long, but when I was playing it was fun, so I wanted to do an Animal Crossing bag just because I like the game. And this is how it looks. Ta-da! Then the next bag I made was this Gone bag from the main character from Hunter x Hunter, or one of the main characters from Hunter x Hunter. So this bag looks like this. He wears like orange and, well, green and orange mainly, so that's why the bag is green and orange. So the back looks like this. Then the sides are green, bottom green, side green, and then I have the orange trimming, and then the orange flap, and then his little patch. So cute. So that was the 4th bag I made. Yeah, this was the 4th bag I made for the month of July. And then the bag I literally just finished, which is my favorite, is this bag, this Kilowatt Bag. He's the second main character from Hunter x Hunter, and his colors are blue and white. So that's what I did, but this time I went a little different and did like blue straps, because usually I would have done like white straps completely, but I was looking at it and I was like, ooh, since the bottom's white, I can do blue and then the top white, you know. So that's what I did with that. And then that's the back. in the bottom and the sides, and then this is white as well, and then that's his little patch. So cute. Like, this one is my favorite, ultimate favorite. I love this one. I really do. Like, this one I'm gonna have to wear like everywhere, and that's kind of why I made like the bottom blue, so if it, you know, sits on stuff, it's not going to be noticeably dirty like the white would. Anyway, so yeah, that's the fifth. This is the 5th bag I made in the month of July, and I'm literally already moving on to my 6th bag. I just finished my stuff today, my flaps and stuff. Just finished that, and now I just have to do everything else, and that will make my 6th bag for the month of July. So I've literally just been crocheting like crazy, making these bags, because I don't know, I just love making them, so that's what I'm gonna keep doing. So like I said before, I don't know when I will have like another like crochet video with like actual clothes, because I'm just focusing on these messenger bags now. And now I think I'm going to start posting more vlogs, since, you know, before I would post videos of me making a crochet, you know, top or whatever I was doing. But since I'm not doing that anymore, I think I will start focusing more on filming vlogs, and then I'll be crocheting my messenger bags in a vlog. So that's what I think I'm gonna be doing now. And yeah, that's literally it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!